So one of our favourite developers is TinyBop, obviously a paid game from TinyBop. A fantastic way to get kids starting to think about game design and all the elements of games, and I can see some real benefits kind of around that year 3, 4 kind of area with the curriculum. So if I just select one, they're the same makers of the Everything Machine, so it really does, it's a great creative app. So if I click on My Games here, you can see I haven't got too many there, so let's press one. Gives us a preview of the types of games that we actually want to create, which is pretty cool. Let's go with a really basic kind of rebound one here. And then it's just a case of actually bringing different things up. So if I just press play before we do anything, you can see there it's a case of dragging across. And so I'll just pause that there, and we might be able to create some more things. So if we go through all the different elements that are there, we could create and actually kind of drag up some more kind of levels here if we wanted to, and kind of see what that actually does. You can see there it makes it a little bit harder, comes up, makes it a little bit harder to actually do. And I have to kind of rebound them off, press pause, add some more content, add some pretty cool things here. We can add things around and play them and actually edit them. Really, really easy to use, and a great way of getting kids to design their own games.